Hello guys, are you also bored of your home screen and want to make it spicy and dope that your friends when they see your home screen just melt down? So I am Harsh Dhamania and you are watching Chapeau Tricks, and without any further ado, let's get started to our video. So to install this home screen setup, you need several files and several apps that are responsible for this home screen setup. I provide the link in the description for the folder. You have to download everything from that folder, and then you have to install all the apps that I have provided here, like KWGT Pro, Nova Launcher, and Rainbow KWGT for the widgets. Now click on that Nova backup file, and then you have to select Nova Launcher, and then you have to select this time only, and it will show you this option. You have to just click on OK button, and your home screen will automatically get set up by the Nova Launcher backup that I have provided. Now you have to create a KWGT widget on the home screen. Simply tap that widget, and then you have to select any of these templates that are inbuilt in that Rainbow KWGT widget app. I have used here Good Night one because it looks cool on the wallpaper that I am using currently. So now the widget is all set, and also the layout is everything is set. For the app icon, I use Pix Material Icon Pack by Pasha Puma. You can get that app from the link in the description. Simply apply the icon pack over Nova Launcher, and everything will be set up completely. Now the last thing that we need is the wallpaper. So you can just tap and hold at the middle of the screen to enable the wallpaper option. You can select wallpaper from here, or you can select any of the wallpaper that I have provided link in the description. So if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I will be posting everything over Instagram also. Thanks for watching.